I believe that the idea of confidence is destroying your life. It's ruining your life. You see, most people stop themselves from taking action because they are waiting for confidence. They're waiting to feel confident before they can take action on something. They're waiting for that special moment when they will finally begin to feel confident enough so that they can do something about the thing that they are not feeling confident about yet. But here is the secret to life. The more you chase confidence in any area of life, the less confidence you will have in that area. Here's what happens. Let's say you want to do something. You want to talk to a beautiful girl. You want to speak in public. You want to start a business. So you tell yourself, I will do that thing once I have the confidence to do it. So you wait around, hoping that one day you will feel confident enough to do that thing, and you wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. And what happens as a result? Well, the more you feel you lack confidence, the more you feel that you need confidence. And the less action you take as a result, and hence you stay stuck, waiting for that silver bullet of confidence. On the other hand, what would happen if you believed that there is no such thing as confidence? What if you believed that if you want to do something, all you need to do is take action? What if you take action every time you need to, whether you feel confident or not? What happens then? Well, the act of trying and failing, that develops your skill and that develops your confidence on that thing that you are trying. The act of doing makes you more confident in that thing that you are trying to do. So here is the paradox of confidence. The more you believe in the idea of confidence or feel the need for confidence, the less confident you will be. On the other hand, the less you actually believe in the idea of confidence, the more action you take, and that action creates confidence. And hence, you end up with even more confidence. You see, the less you believe that you need to feel confident in order to talk to that pretty girl, the more likely you are to talk to her. The less you believe that you need to feel confident in order to start your business, the more likely you are to take your first step on your business venture rather than sitting around and waiting for that perfect moment when you feel confident enough to start your business. I genuinely believe that the idea of confidence will take your dreams to your grave, and there is only one antidote to it, and that is courage. So here's what I want you to do. Every time you stop yourself from doing something because you lack confidence, you have to do courage instead. Yes, do courage. Now you might be wondering, how do you do courage? Well, here is how you do courage. Let's say you're stopping yourself from talking to that beautiful girl. In that moment, you tell yourself, I will do an act of courage in this moment. I will not wait for confidence. I will just do courage. And what do? You courageously put one foot in front of the next one. You courageously go up to that girl and you courageously talk to her, even if all you do is say hi. That is a win. And what happens as a result of this act of courage? You talk to the girl. And as a result of that conversation, you learn new things and you develop confidence. And the next time you see another pretty girl, you do courage one more time. You talk to her a little more. And before you know it, you have developed the confidence to talk to pretty girls by doing courage. So here is what you need to do, my friend. Don't let confidence stop you. Instead, do courage.